Hi, I'm Gail, and I'm here to talk about organic gardening. These are my tools. I use a shovel for shoveling the dirt, a turning fork for loosening the soil and turning the dirt, mixing the dirt. I use a hoe, but I prefer, instead of a hoe, I like this cultivator that has a pointed edge. It's easier for me. These are my gardening gloves. I find that the type with the rubber on the side that you use to work with the soil, the working side, lasts longer, and it's also waterproof. And these are my hand tools. This is my favorite hand tool, and I could get along with just this one, but sometimes I have friends and family helping me in the garden for some of these others. But this is good for loosening the soil, and this is good for hoeing. You can do the whole garden, in fact, with this hoe once your soil is prepared properly. And then sunscreen, a sun hat that covers you well, either large brim or that comes down around your face and neck. And even my shirt is UV resistant.